If you want to loop up drawer screens on the Samsung Galaxy S26, you can easily do this. But first of all, you have to open the Galaxy store and you have to be connected into the Wi-Fi or mobile data. Right now, when you open it, go for the apps, click on the settings and go for the good lock application. Next, you will have to just open it, and over here, you will have to go for an open button. After it's opened, you will have to download the additional plugin that will allow you to actually do this. Download Home app and open it for the first time. Now we have to enable the home screen customization and open this one. Now what we are looking for is actually the apps screen grid. First of all, we can change the apps screen grid, but also we can use the horizontal scroll. Now you will have to open your app screen, click on the three dots, click on the sort and select the alphabetical order, and now go for the home app and just make sure that you enable loop pages and the horizontal scroll. So now take a look, you can just scroll all like that, and this is everything